I'm drinking English tea. What? English tea? Since when England and the UK started growing tea? Is it not from India? No, bloody hell. Indians don't grow tea. That is English tea. And when you go to even Calcutta, Bombay, you see my brother Indians saying they're drinking English tea. How about Irish coffee? Oh, bloody hell. Ireland grows the finest coffee. And do you have coffee in Ivory Coast? What? Yeah, monsieur Grandpatron. A café et le blé. I am going to be having a fine Swedish chocolate. Huh? Where are you from? From Ghana. Do you guys have chocolate? We bloody well grow the damn thing. No, it's a Swedish thing. Yes, chocolate is grown in Sweden, in the high Ype Mountains. I mean, do you have water in the reserves, the indigenous reserves of Canada? Do you have water? Do people drink water? You know, Canada is known to have one of the largest amount of fresh water. And where do you think the water is lying? Down deep in the belly. It is in the areas of the indigenous land. And it was borrowed from them and never given them. Water drinking is a problem. Why all the others in Winnipeg, Manitoba, they signed a treaty with Ontario. They ship water to Manitoba and the people can poo and flush. Why my indigenous people struggle to drink water? That is equity. That is affirmative action. That is, yes. And another breaking news, the most important one. Ladies and gentlemen, BBC Africa reporting. My name is Korobo Bakata. It is announced that the Queen Buckingham Palace officially says that there is indeed racism in Buckingham Palace. There is racism within the monarchy. Cut him off! Bloody hell. What are you talking about racism? That's not race. That Meghan Markle and Prince Harry lost their bowels. They lost their bowels in talking about racism. There's nothing like racism. You know, they lost their cahoot. Bloody. What's that? How dare you come on BBC and announce that the Queen says there is racism? He forgot that we are the Commonwealth of Nations, where we go collect everything and bring to the island? How dare you? Ha! Got you. But hey, I don't believe in racism either. That thing was cooked out. As I always say, racism was cooked. You know, under the Constantine nonsense. The Roman Catholic was in bed with all the monarchies until King George kicked them out. Don't you see the King George version of the Bible that simply says, "Blessed are the poor, for they shall see the kingdom of heaven," while all the goodies are taken away from other places? It was because of a headlight of a woman, you know. The king wanted to get his second wife. And the Roman Catholic, he said, "You can't." And he said, "Go to hell, you're bald-headed. How can you deprive my bottom head of galvanizing?" And people talk about polygamy and monogamy. Monogamy is inconveniencing the bottom head of a he-goat. while he parabolate and bring children that he disown. DNA is suffocating people. DNA, that's another episode. DNA, a dangerous, nonsensical association of a bottom head. My friend, they say it's April Fool's Day. If you boil your fool, then your fool will be boiled. Stay blessed.